Hey guys, it's Darren here. I came here today to try to show you captains a way to find deckhands when you're in a pinch and you need somebody real quick. I've been showing you ways. This is the third way that I'm going to show you how to do it. It's pretty simple. So watch here. Okay, I'm going to show you how to, on Facebook, find deckhands. This is another way. It's free. I'm not charging for this. It's easy money, but not everybody knows how to do it. So go to your Facebook, and then let's pick on, let's go to my groups, and we're going to go to Facebook fishing jobs, okay, because that's where a lot of people post different jobs and people who are looking for work, right? And then we're gonna click this magnifying glass up in the top right corner. You see a little tiny magnifying glass up there. Click it, and then we're going to type the kind of fishing boat you have. So for example, let's say you have a, bandit boat. So you're going to go bandit fishing, and you need a deckhand or two. So we're going to search for bandit. Okay, so we're going to come up here, and then you're going to find where people have posted that. So for example, this Oscar right here posted, so his spot was filled, but he was looking for bandit boat deckhands, and there's 11 comments. So click the comments, click the number 11 on the bottom right corner. See where it says 11 comments? Click that, and then scroll. Matt McCarthy, if you need a guy, I have experience, and I come with no BS, and there's his phone number. 720, looks like a Denver or Colorado number. So you got his number right there, but if you want to call his number, you could and say, hey Matt, are you working right now? Do you know anybody? That kind of thing, just network. Or you can click his name, and then you can come over here and message him. So we'll see where it says message right there. Click message, and then type a message right there. Hey Matt. Whoops. Hey Matt. ... whatever you want to say, and then hit send with that little triangle on the right. Hit send. Now you need to watch your messenger in the next day or two and see if Matt replies back to you. You could do that a few times. You can go back here. Here's another one. Hey, you looking for a guy? Clean brother, thank God, blah blah blah. Let's see something. We're looking for somebody with experience. Logan Hooper. I think I got it figured out. I sent you a friend request. Send me your phone number. So Oscar Navarrete told Logan that he already has a guy probably, but Logan, you could click on him, do the same thing. Send him a message right there, blah, blah, blah. And then hit that triangle on the right. So there you go. You could do that all day. You could, it doesn't have to be that post. You can go to the next post. Once again, looking for a few good deckhands. Oh, Craig, Captain Craig. So look, you can click 95 comments right there, and look at all these people that commented that want a chance. Give me a chance, give me a chance, give me a chance. Now I know that this was July 19th, and we're in August right now. So actually it hasn't been that long, but probably a lot of these people are still available or have gone out and done something for a few weeks and they're back. So you can just go through here and hit these. Anthony Pitts says, I'm ready, info. Keith says, wow man, no telling how long my boat will be in repairs. I could use a trip before I lose my mind. So Keith probably has his own boat. And so same thing, you click Keith and give him a chance on your boat. There's his boat right there. So now you see how that works. Good luck. That's the third time I've shown you a way to do it. And I'll keep showing you more ways if I can find them for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed that way. I will keep searching for more ways that I can show you. And if I find any other ways, I'll certainly let you know. But this was the third way that I've showed you for free how to find deckhands. You can do it on fishing jobs or anywhere else you want. Have a good night.